AI, the old space-wasting fax machine, will soon be joining names like the typewriter and the slide projector. It's just surreal. And it's this idea, waste, that I'd like to talk about today. Waste often starts out as a useful idea, but times change. And sometimes we need to ask, why is this still here? You know what I'm talking about, 1996 PC. But more than just wasting space, other kinds of waste can create unnecessary work that takes away from doing the important stuff. When that happens, nobody's happy. Not you, not your customers. So if you want to get rid of waste, you should know how to spot it. Now, for your lean learning pleasure, here are the 8 types of waste. Let's start with defects. This includes mistakes that bring a process to a screeching halt, like an incomplete application that can't be processed. Then there's overproduction, like printing 200-page reports and keeping just the first 3 pages. Overproduction can also mean producing too soon. Getting work done quickly sounds great, but what if the next person in the process isn't ready for it? It just sits there. And that means people down the chain are waiting, which, guess what, is another type of waste. And we're not done there. If you wait long enough, you get frustrated. And part of that frustration may be because you're not getting a chance to apply your skills and knowledge. That's a waste too. Non-utilized talents. Not pleasant. Transportation. Does your process take a direct route from A to B, or does it take a much longer route? Speaking of odd routes, motion can be a waste, like walking down 2 hallways and a flight of stairs just to get something from the printer. Another waste is inventory. It's using more resources than you need, including human resources. How many people really need to be on those conference calls? That brings us to excess processing. Rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? Think of this as a form that requires a customer to provide the same information in multiple places. There you have them, the 8 types of waste. Remember, the workplace is constantly changing. Take it from me, the old space-wasting fax machine. Getting rid of things that don't quite work anymore is for the best. Have a lean idea? Let's make it a reality. Click here to submit your idea or to find your department's lean champion to get started.